Hello, my name's Jonathan Trull. I'm the general manager of Microsoft Cybersecurity Business. First, thanks for all that you do. You have a difficult job. Your organizations provide critical services for those in your area that you support. We're here to help provide solutions to keep your organizations focused on what's most important. We have cybersecurity solutions that are dedicated to preventing the attacks that we're seeing regularly today. We're living in unprecedented times. We've seen a huge uptick in ransomware attacks, and specifically attacks that are targeted against public organizations, those that are providing critical infrastructure and services like 911 systems, election systems, ports. All of these are being targeted because criminals know if they take down those operations, they're so critical that oftentimes organizations have no choice but to pay the ransom. We're also seeing nation state attackers that are obviously interested in these critical services as well. With that, Microsoft has developed a suite of technologies and underlying productivity solutions and cloud solutions that are secure from day one. The security is built in to those solutions. Things like Microsoft Defender Advanced Threat Protection. This is built into Windows 10 and our other operating systems. It helps protect those police officers, firefighters, 911 operators, those who are using their PCs every day from these advanced attackers. We also have advanced threat protection solutions built into our email solution, so that we stop those malicious attachments or those links that are trying to lure your users to click and then go to a malicious website. We also have solutions that are dedicated to ensuring that your authentication and authorization attempts for your users and their identities are secure. Attackers continue to try to go after the username and password as the weakest link. And we've embedded things like Windows Hello for Business so that you can use biometrics, which is much more secure than a username and password. We also have a technology that includes machine learning and artificial intelligence to identify situations where a user's name and password has been compromised. It uses things to identify what we call impossible travel, for example, where a user might have logged in from Denver, Colorado, and then 30 minutes later, they're trying to log in from a country in Europe. This would automatically be blocked and prevent it from happening because it would be impossible for that user to travel that distance in that amount of time. This helps us really stop these advanced attacks from occurring. We've also partnered with some unique companies that are really building significant advancements in things like 911 systems on our infrastructure. For example, we partnered with a company called Rapid Deploy. They built a modern 911 system on Azure, and they chose Azure because of the security, privacy, and all of the advanced security technology that we can bring to bear to protect those systems. They also use a technology called Azure Sentinel to run all of their security operations because it's efficient, it's easy to get up and running quickly, and they need very few staff to monitor and triage these alerts because of the intelligence that we brought into that solution. So we're here to be the solution provider of choice for you, both for your productivity suite, to build on Azure, to use things like Microsoft Dynamics, and you can feel confident that we built the right security controls in place to stop even the most advanced attackers. So we're here to partner with you. We know you have a tough job, and we're excited to support you in your journey and your mission. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.